Hey guys, today I want to share with you what the blades that I have found to be the best for what we do here in North Carolina when we're mowing. These blades right here are one of the very first things I switch out every time I buy another mower. If I get a new mower, or every once in a while they just, after so many sharpenings, they wear down and need to be switched out. But these are my go-to blades. After doing this for 13 years, I have used high lift blades, all kind of blades, you know, and different kind of mulching blades, and I have not found any that do as good a job as these blades right here. Let me go ahead and unbox them for you. All right, guys, let's go ahead and open these up. Alright guys, these are the blades I'm talking about. Just got another 52-inch stand-on mower, and these will fit a multitude of mowers. These will fit a Skag. These will fit Ferris mowers. Should fit Exmark, Toro. Those, you know, pretty much any kind of commercial mower like that. But just definitely look it up. There's the part number right there, and I'll put a link in the description where you can get them. But what I love about these blades is, first off, the blade, most standard blades only have about a 3-inch to 4-inch cutting edge right there, but this goes all the way down the blade. And these are also made with what they call fusion technology, and it makes the metal harder. Now they're a little bit harder to sharpen, but they also stay sharp longer, which means less blade sharpenings, less wasted time. So more time in the field cutting grass. I don't know if you can see how that edge, it just cuts up. See if you can see it. Anyway, these are the blades that we use. I love these blades, and every once in a while, you know, we'll switch them out. Like I got another mower, so I got 2 sets. One I'm switching out for an older mower with about 900 hours on it, and the new mower. These are going on. This is standard for any like I said, anytime I get another mower, these go on there. They go on it because I just stock blades suck most of the time. They just suck. I mean, and even stock tires to me suck. I usually put ATV tires on the mowers, and gotta be a little bit more careful. I mean, you got to have some skills when you're driving around. Obviously, you'll tear the yard up if you don't know what you're doing, but also it'll get you out of a lot of situations when you got some decent tires on there that you would get stuck with the stock tires. I know on the Ferris mowers, I really do not like the stock. I love everything about the mowers, but I hate the stock tires, and I'm not a big fan of the blades on any mower. But as far as that goes, get you a set of these guys. I tell you, it is well worth the money, and you will thoroughly enjoy them. Also, if you have a favorite blade that you use on your commercial mowers, or if you have any insight or whatever, please put it in the comments below. Love to hear from you. Got any questions, let me know, and I'll put a link for these blades and for those ATV tires that I put on all of my mowers in the link below, or in the description below, so you can check those out if you're interested. Help you out there. But anyways, let me know if you guys got any questions, comments, and what's your favorite blade.